How to add a video carousel to Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a video carousel for your Squarespace website. So the process is going to be very easy and also free. So what we're going to do is to use a platform or a tool that is called Elfsight, and that tool or this platform will permit for us to create a widget. So what are we going to do first is to head over squarespace.com, sign in for an account and visit the account dashboard. Once you have visited and selected the website that you are going to make the edit to or add the carousel to, you're going to head over here and see the website. Now you're going simply to click on pages and select the page that you are going to add this widget obviously for. So for example, this is the home page. I'm going to add the video carousel into this specific area. So I'm going to click on edit. Then we are going to head over here on this section, or we can add another section. I'm going to add a blank section and we are going to add a block. So we are going to head over the code or embed. It is going to be the same. Click on edit, and then we are going to select from link here or embed as code snippet. Click on embed data, and here we are going to put the code. Where are we going to find that code for that widget? We're going to head over elfsight.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to select from the widgets in here. So we are going to head over the tools. We're going to scroll down a little bit until we see slider. So we are going to click on slider, and this is the example of the slider that we are going to add. So it is not going to be here only images or text. It is going to be also for videos. So we are going to add a carousel video or a video slider. It is going to be the same concept. We are going to click on create widget for free. I have already created that widget, so I'm going to view it and edit it in the meanwhile. So you are going to get an idea on how we can do that. So the first thing that you are going to see is going to be the slides. So here we have the slides and we have the settings and the advanced, as you can see, parameters like custom CSS or JavaScript. We're going to head over the slides and you're going to see here the slides that you have already. So in here, when you click on any slide or when you are going to start adding the slides, you're going to have the image and the videos. For the videos, it is going to be crucial to have a video hoster or a video URL. So you can go ahead and integrate videos from YouTube, or you can go ahead and integrate them for any uploading platform and put them right there. You can put the video on the linked mode. That means that you're going to click on the video and it will take you to the specific, let's say here, parameters, or you can go ahead and let it as it is. So we are going to start by adding some free videos. So to do that, I'm going to head over Pixels. And for those who does not know Pixels, it is going to be your source for loyalty free or copyright free videos. So you are going to see that we have tons of videos and also tools or photos that you can use onto your footages or videos that are not going to have the issue of the copyrights. For example, I'm going to have this and how we can copy the video link. So we are going to click on the right side or the right button of the mouse, click on copy link. We're going to head over the carousel. So we are going to paste the video URL and instantly you are going to see it. So I'm going to basically here to set this. This is the first video. Now we are going to add another video. So I'm going to be back here. Let's have another video. We have some vertical and also horizontal videos. We are going to see that this is a vertical video. I'm searching only for horizontal videos. I'm going only to let the video play. Then we are going to click on copy link. We're going to do the same thing for all the videos. We're going to see them here playing. So you are going to give it a little bit of time and it will be loading right away just like that. So we are going to add here 3 videos. I'm going to add a third video. I'm going to exit that. And we are going to see the video that we have. So I'm going to select it. So we are going to search for a third one. Maybe we're going to add this one. So we are going to wait it for the video to play. And we're going to put it in here. It is going to be free to use, as you can read here. I'm going to click on copy link, put it in here, wait for the video to be appearing, and then we're going to head over the settings. You can complete or add as many sliders as you want in here. So you're going to see here that we have 7 from the beginning. You can click on add slider and add or select the type of slider like slide builder, slide image, or slide video from scratch. Now, what are we going to do? If you want to modify something, you can modify them on the settings like the full width or the width, the height, the height on mobile, the corner radius, and pagination, etc. When you finish, you're going to click on publish. Now, what are we going to do is to click on close, install, copy that code. We are going to get a script source code. We're going to put it in here on our Squarespace. So here the script is going to be disabled for security management. But you're going to see here the slider popping up just right there. So we're going to wait for that slider. As you can see, it is going to be here. So we are on the preview mode, so it is not going to work properly here and here. You need to set it up on the live version of the website, and then you are going to see it in just here. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.